Guys, iOS 17 is not a piece of software you want to be installing on your iPhone. So why is that? iOS 17 looks like a really cool piece of software, but it could probably be the worst thing for your iPhone you can do. And let me explain why. I actually made a video on how to uninstall iOS 17, and the comments are actually very sad. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and a lot of people are saying how to get the beta. They're teaching how to install iOS 17 on your personal device. And there's a lot of issues here, so I'll be covering them. So, what are some of these concerns? Well, some of these concerns around iOS 17, people are not even able to send their text messages. So SMS texts do not work for some users, along with iMessage. On top of that, people have noticed that their iPhones are stuck in like the reboot phase, like the Apple logo keeps showing. And unfortunately, they even try to hook it up to a computer and it won't work. I actually had this exact same issue with iOS 16 in the past, and I broke one of my iPhones and it still sits on a shelf this day. So, point being said, do not do that. Other people's find that their photos, won't load properly in iCloud or like the Photos app. I don't know. There's a lot of issues around, cloud services, stuff sending. One person in my YouTube comments couldn't even get their Wi-Fi to work on that device. So, on top of that, this is going to sound very unrelated, but it is summer right now, and iOS 17 typically heats up devices because it's an unreleased version of iOS. So if you have an iPhone and it's running a beta version of iOS, your device will also be overheating, and it's the summer. So that will literally destroy your battery capacity. So I've had this happen to so many iPhones where they only last 20 minutes after you take them out of the charger, and those are the same devices that I always install the betas on. So do not install the beta on your personal device unless you're cool with losing your data, unless you're cool with your battery being actually physically ruined because of the heat, and if you're cool with getting a terrible user experience because Wi-Fi and other weird issues will show up. Thank you for watching. This is a warning. Ignore the hype. Peace out.